Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. In this presentation, we are addressing Diagnostic Trouble Code DTC B0011-13 associated with the front passenger's airbag in the Honda Accord 2023 and later models. This specific code indicates an issue regarding open circuits or increased resistance in the airbag's second inflator. The airbag system is a critical safety feature. Any malfunction can jeopardize passenger safety. Located in the dashboard area, the front passenger's airbag is crucial during collisions, as it deploys to protect the occupant. Components such as the SRS, Supplemental Restraint System unit, located near the steering column, are pivotal in monitoring the airbag's functionality. If the SRS detects a voltage anomaly on the detection line beyond specified values, it triggers the error code, prompting further inspection and diagnostics. DTC B0011-13 signifies a problem specifically related to the front passenger's airbag, primarily an open circuit or increased resistance within the airbag's second inflator system. The front passenger's airbag plays an integral role in the car's SRS, which is designed to deploy airbags upon detecting a collision. This system involves several crucial components, including the inflator and the central SRS unit. The SRS unit, which is centrally located in the vehicle for optimal functionality, continuously monitors the airbag system for any irregularities. Its role is to ensure that the airbags deploy correctly during an accident to protect passengers. If an open circuit or excessive resistance is detected, the SRS unit registers this as an error and stores it as DTC B0011-13. There are several potential causes for DTC B0011-13. One leading cause is issues within the connections to the front passenger's airbag. If the airbag inflator connector is not secure or is damaged, it could result in increased resistance being detected. Another significant cause could be a malfunction within the SRS unit itself, which may misread conditions and trigger the error code. Wiring problems, such as shorts, cuts, or other forms of damage can also contribute to this issue, leading to impaired communication between the airbag and the SRS unit. Finally, if the vehicle has been in a collision, it's essential to verify that all related components have been replaced with properly functioning parts to avoid complications in the airbag system. The manifestation of DTC B0011-13 commonly includes the airbag warning light illuminating on the dashboard. This indicates a problem within the SRS that requires attention. Additionally, the driver may notice general safety system malfunctions since the airbag system is integral to passenger safety. Warning messages may also be displayed on the vehicle's information system, signifying an urgent need to address the issue. If these symptoms are present, it is critical to proceed with diagnostic procedures to ensure that the airbag system is functioning correctly and to avoid any potential safety risks associated with airbag deployment failures. Addressing these symptoms promptly is crucial for ensuring the safety of the vehicle's occupants. The first step in the troubleshooting process for DTC B0011-13 is to turn the vehicle to the on mode and allow it to sit for 10 seconds. This action powers the SRS and ensures that the system is fully operational prior to beginning any diagnostics. It's essential during this period to check for any immediate errors that may appear in the system's memory. Waiting allows the SRS unit to initialize and could reveal if the DTC persists or resolves itself under normal operational conditions. It establishes a baseline state from which further inspections can be conducted. This step is crucial as it may indicate whether the error is transient or a fixed issue that requires more in-depth evaluation. For the second troubleshooting step, the technician should disconnect the front passenger's airbag inflator connector. which is a 4-pin connector located in the dashboard wire harness. After disconnecting it, one should then connect the terminals of the SRS simulator lead J to the SRS inflator simulator, which consists of 2-ohm connectors. The simulator should be securely connected to the airbag inflator connector to allow for proper testing. This process serves to simulate the inflator and helps assess the condition of the entire airbag circuit. It is an essential part of determining whether the airbag is functioning correctly and whether the error code is indicative of a deeper issue within the SRS system. In this third step, after connecting the SRS simulator, you must perform the confirmation procedure, which involves checking the system once again for the presence of DTC B0011-13. By doing so, we can ascertain if the simulator installation has rectified the error. If the DTC no longer appears, it indicates that the issue may lie with the front passenger's airbag unit itself. If the DTC remains, it signals a potential problem with other related components. This step provides crucial diagnostic feedback, allowing the technician to hone in on the source of the fault in a systematic manner. It's essential for accurately determining the next steps to take in repair or part replacement needed to restore proper functionality. The fourth troubleshooting step involves inspecting the RA2+ and RA2- wiring for any signs of damage or poor connections. This process begins after verifying the SRS unit connector A, known as a 43-pin connector, is disconnected along with the front passenger's airbag inflator connector. Inspecting these wires is crucial, as they directly impact the power supply and ground for the airbag system. Normal conditions require that the resistance level for both RA2+ and RA2- should be less than 1 ohm. Performing this inspection will help identify if there are any open circuits or excessive resistance leading to the stored error code. If abnormal resistance is detected, it indicates a wiring issue that must be addressed to ensure proper airbag deployment functionality. The final troubleshooting step focuses on inspecting the SRS unit itself. If all preceding inspections have cleared the related components, but the issue persists, the SRS unit is likely at fault. Evaluating the SRS involves checking its internal functionality and connections to ensure that it properly monitors the airbag system. In an automotive environment, the SRS unit is responsible for deploying airbags under correct conditions, and any failure here can lead to severe safety risks. Determining if the SRS unit is faulty usually involves specialized tools, as a visual inspection alone may not reveal internal issues. If the SRS unit is concluded to be the source of the problem, replacement may be necessary to resolve the DTC B0011-13 and restore airbag functionality. After completing necessary repairs, it is crucial to verify that DTC B0011-13 has been effectively resolved. The first step is to clear any stored DTCs using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, ensuring a fresh status check. Once cleared, it's essential to retest the airbag system to confirm that it operates as expected without generating the DTC again. This verification step is fundamental, as it helps ensure that the repair was successful and that the airbag system is now conducive to passenger safety. Allowing the system to go through its complete functional test cycle will demonstrate that all components are communicating and functioning properly. If any DTC emerges, further investigation would be paramount. Preventive maintenance for the SRS should not be overlooked. Regular checks of the airbag system can help catch issues before they escalate into serious problems. It is advisable to ensure that any components replaced following a collision are genuine Honda parts, as aftermarket parts may not operate correctly within the SRS framework. Regular diagnostics can also help maintain the integrity of the wiring and connections, avoiding concerns linked to corrosion or loose connections. Furthermore, educating vehicle occupants about the importance of self-checks, such as ensuring seatbelt usage and maintaining a safe environment around deployed airbags, can help in avoiding unnecessary errors and enhance safety. By following these preventive measures, the longevity and reliability of the airbag system can be maintained. In conclusion, DTC B0011-13 points to a significant issue within the airbag system, requiring immediate attention through thorough inspections and testing of the related components. Key areas of focus include the front passenger's airbag, wiring integrity, and the SRS unit functionality. Recognizing the signs and symptoms of this error code can aid in swift diagnosis and repair actions, thereby ensuring the safety of the vehicle's occupants. Moreover, regular preventive maintenance practices can help identify potential issues before they arise, significantly increasing both reliability and safety. Understanding the mechanisms behind the DTC allows for effective troubleshooting and resolution, reinforcing the pivotal role of proper airbag operation in vehicle safety. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time!